Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Fergie. If you happen to just be browsing and you ran into my voice, please like and subscribe. And to all my FK gang, welcome back. So guys, I've been making some weight loss smoothies, and here is my ingredients for my apple ginger smoothie today. All right, so this is a fruit bar made from coconut, dairy free, and I'll be going in with ginger, some Greek yogurt, a basket pear, and some almond milk. So let's jump right into it, guys. Here is my pear already cut up, just a piece of ginger, and a container of Greek yogurt. This is about 1 cup. And to this, I'm gonna add about ½ a cup of almond milk, unsweetened almond milk. All right, guys? And now I'm gonna go in with my bar. And I'll see you in a minute. Okay, guys, here's your apple ginger smoothies. This is very creamy and delicious, guys. So guys, enjoy my delicious apple ginger weight loss smoothie. Until I see you next time, please remember, Fergie loves you. Bye-bye. You heard that kiss, right?